Hey guys, what's going on, Roti Lovers? It's your girl Christian Mosley, and I am back again with another Callaloo Box review. And this Callaloo Box review for the month of March, I'm going to really kick it up for you guys because this is going to be so exciting. So, first when you get your Callaloo Box, you always get a nice thank you letter. And it says, "We hope you enjoy what's inside as much as we enjoy putting it together just for you. We hope it transport you to the shores of our beautiful islands of Trinidad and Tobago. Please visit us on our website, www.callaloobox.com, and leave a comment in our review section. Take a picture of your box and dish and tag us on Instagram and Facebook." So yes, this is just a thank you letter that we normally receive from Callaloo Box. And first of all, let's get into this cute media kit that was received this month. And it talks a little bit about testimonials on behalf of the brand and definitely some press coverage. They were recently featured in Essence, and Essence is a really big magazine, so congratulations, Callaloo Box. And it talks a little bit of the story and how they started up. And then we have the founders here, Malika and Jamila, and make sure to follow them on Instagram too as well. And these are their social media links. They're also on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. So make sure to follow them so you can also look for Callaloo Box inspirations. So this month's Callaloo Box is called the Trimbago Seafood Box. And I'm not talking seafood where you see any food and you're hungry, it's seafood and all these different delicacies. So let's get into the lime pepper. The first item we have today is the lime pepper sauce. And let's see what we can use this lime pepper sauce for. It says helpful and suggested uses as a condiment to add both flavor and spice. I would actually use this as a side condiment for fried fish. I love fried red snapper, or whether it be like grouper, but mostly fried red snapper, just a little bit on the side. So, you can see all the different peppers and stuff inside. So you could shake that up really well and just put a little bit on your plate with your nice fried fish and macaroni pie. Okay. And then secondly, we have the tamarind chutney. What is tamarind chutney? Let's get into that and find out. Made with tamarind, hot pepper, spices, and garlic, the tamarind tree is indigenous to Africa and was also cultivated in Asia for centuries. It produces a pod-like fruit which contains an edible, fleshy, juicy pulp that best described as sweet and sour in taste. I love tamarind sauce, especially with like pylori, and in the previous Callaloo boxes we did receive a pylori mix, so that's just a small little food from Trinidad as well that is really, really nice. But I love tamarind chutney. Sometimes if I'm making curries, or if I'm making like curry potato, curry chana, I can put a little bit of tamarind chutney as well on the plate to kind of give it that enhanced flavor. I love it. It's a little bit sweet and it's also a little spicy, and I love this brand, Chief. This brand to me is the best. It's really, really good, close to homemade. So this is the tamarind chutney here. Okay, and next we have the green seasoning with lime. You don't say with lime for seafood. So what is green seasoning? Green seasoning is, now going back to the information guide for green seasoning, it's a marinade made of blend of various herbs including Spanish thyme, French thyme, lime juice, chive, celery, cilantro, garlic, and pimento seasoning peppers. And I love green seasoning. If you're a person that loves to cook like myself, green seasoning is your staple product in your food. And this one is actually catered to fish, because with fish now, it really absorbs flavors once it's marinated over 24 hours. So this green seasoning is sure to put the fire in your kitchen, and not literal big flames. I'm talking about the fire in your food. So I'm gonna try this. I'm actually gonna make some salmon this weekend, so make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'll make sure to put one of the links below. So I'm gonna take pictures of the salmon and also show how much I put, and also the other seasonings that I put in that salmon as well. So this green seasoning, what I love about this brand, Caribbean Flavors, I love that these brands, they don't contain MSG, which I love because MSG is another chemical. So I wanted to say thank you, Callaloo Box, again for making sure to provide really good products with really all natural ingredients. So we have the Caribbean flavors fish seasoning, and from the front package we have this nice big picture of a nice kingfish. Oh goodness. And on the back now it talks about what exactly is in it. So we have salt, chives, celery powder, garlic powder, herbs, onion powder, black pepper. So this now is like a dry rub, especially for your fish. You can use it for red snapper, all kind of fish. It's no limit on what certain fish that you can use. You can use it on all kinds of fish. And again, you don't have to be from the Caribbean to try these products. They're definitely a staple product overall that could be used, and I think just trying these Callaloo boxes, able to try different flavors from different parts of the world that you're not really access to locally. So I can't wait to try this one. It says shake is all it takes to make your fish taste great. You don't say. All right, so we're gonna try the dried Seamoss. People. First of all, I want to say Callaloo Box, thank you for putting this dried Seamoss in here, because this dried Seamoss is awesome. I don't know if you guys know, but dried Seamoss actually has 92 minerals that's essential for your body, and your body needs 102. So 92 minerals is alone from dried Seamoss. So I can't wait to drink this. I know some people make a drink called Irish Moss, and on the back it gives you this really great recipe, so you can try that. So I know I can't wait until I finish with this video, because I'm making the Seamoss. I am making it tonight. So thank you Callaloo Box for this Caribbean flavors Seamoss. So I can't wait to try this brand. Okay, and then we have our garlic infused coconut oil. And coconut oil, of course, for most of you, is very healthy cooking. So I can't wait to try this one, because garlic too, again, gives you a nice robust flavor in your food. So I can't wait to try this particular coconut oil, because I know it's just gonna taste so well. So again, if you want to see different, either me cooking with this or what health benefits, please comment below. Tell me what you'd like to see, so I can try to provide that for you all, okay? And lastly, we have another dry rub for the fish seasoning. Okay, and again, this is the Chief brand products. And as you can see from the picture, it has like a nice little fish, and it looked like it was just rubbed up nicely with the nice dry seasoning. So I can't wait to try this. And again, I'm allergic to shellfish, so I don't do shrimp. But if you guys eat shellfish and stuff like that, these rubs and less essential seasonings is also good for that as well. Not just particularly fish. So any kind of seafood at all, definitely try these particular seasonings. I can't wait. I love kingfish. I love to make curry kingfish or stew kingfish. So especially with the Good Friday and the Christian holidays coming up, I can't wait to make so many different things with my total box here from given to me from Callaloo Box. So this brand, again, Chief Products, is a great brand, very reputable, very good natural flavors. So I just love Chief brands, and Callaloo Box, thank you so much again for always providing good quality products for our money. So now that is the end of my initial review for my products. So just to go over a little bit about Callaloo Box, again, you can go www.callaloobox.com and make sure to subscribe and get your next box, and also use my code, which I'm going to list below, Mosey5, to get $5 off of your first box. And if there's anything that you would like to see, please let me know. Comment, subscribe to me. Hey Danielle, I like the garlic coconut oil. Tell me a little bit more about that. Tell me what was your favorite product and how do you plan to cook with it. Until next time, make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'll keep in touch with you all. Love you all. See you soon. Bye-bye.